Hi, PG coming to you here from Seabrook, Texas. I'm aboard the new 2019 23 Outrage by Boston Whaler. She's powered by the new 300 horse V8 Mercury. One of the greatest things about this boat is this section right in here. We've got a really nice fold-away bench seat. Very comfortable ride in the back, gives you a nice bolster for fishing. But check this system out. Award-winning helm seat here with cutting board and the option of dropping it down, having you a nice trolling seat for fishing or just hanging out with your guests. Even has a nice cooler underneath. Got the flip-up bolsters at the helm. Extremely comfortable boat to drive, standing up, using it as a lean-to, and then we have an optional footrest when you're actually seated all the way down in the boat. Plenty of room for your electronics, and we do custom rigging on all electronics, any brand you want, right here at MarineMax in Seabrook. Digital throttle and shift, kind of a fly-by-wire system. Very smooth, easy to operate, power steering, trim tabs. Check out the huge fish boxes in the floor on each side. A real handy bait well in the back. It's lighted. It's got the blue gel coat inside. See-through lid. Coming forward, notice the tow holes for when you are fishing. You got the combings here. For a 23-foot boat, we've got a huge head compartment on here. Lots of storage, lots of room for your head system. Moving forward, lots more features. We've got storage here. Can double as an ice chest. Got a huge locker in the floor, huge locker in the front, and a windlass anchor system. You usually only see that on the larger vessels. Plenty of depth in here if you're standing up to fish. Plenty of handrails for your guests. Just about anything you could want to do, you can do in this boat. It's awesome for offshore, bay use, dinner cruising, whatever. Also a good diving boat. Come see us at Seabrook and MarineMax. I'm PG. Be glad to help you.